John Whidden with Whidden Gunworks, and we've just introduced our Prefit rimfire barrels for the Bergara B-14R. These are going to work a little bit differently than mini barrels, so we wanted to take just a minute, film a short video, and show you a little bit about the parts that are going to be inside of this thing. Disassembling one of these Bergara B-14Rs works just about like any other Remington 700 type rifle and uses many of the same tools. Once you've got it apart, this is sort of where our differences start. We have a part that we call the breech insert right here. What this breech insert does is it allows the extractors of the bolt to be aligned as they should be on this barrel when it's threaded in. The breech insert is going to fit on the barrel like this. You'll notice that on the back end of the breech insert is this O-ring. The O-ring is inserted into this little gap, and it just provides a little bit of friction while all of this stuff is being reassembled. Now, the first step is to put the breech insert into the action. You'll notice that there's one side of this breech insert that's cut away. The reason is we have to have clearance for the anti-bind notch inside the action, which is right here. So in the case of a right-hand action, the cutaway on the breech insert will need to be inserted to the right side. So I'm going to drop it in place. It'll take a little wiggling to get it to settle in, but it goes into the action first. Now, once the breech insert has been put into place, when it's in place correctly, the back end of it is about even with the feed ramp, and you can see that right here. The next step is just to thread the barrel into place, after, of course, you set the recoil lug on. Now at this point, of course, you can torque the barrel into place using your action wrench and barrel vise. Once it's been installed, it's important that you check the head space on the gun for safety, and we're going to include a shim kit for your bolt that's going to allow you to shim the bolt right here so that you can adjust the head space as needed. Most of the time we target 43, 44 thousandths or some number like that. Thanks for watching our video about how to install the Bergara Prefit barrels.